this takedown portable target out of just scrap wood and a few pressure treated 2x4s. Stick along with us. It's pretty cool. Pretty neat. I'm going to save you all the boring, measuring, and cutting of the 2x4s and stuff. For the centerpiece, I took pressure treated 2x4s, and I took 2 at 24 inches and 1 at 21 inches. The one in the middle is at 21 inches, and you'll see what that's for. And then we just put the two 24-inch pieces on the outside of that one. That's the centerpiece. Put a few screws in there to hold it. No stress on it, so it won't need a whole lot of screws. Then we just simply lay it on its end, and now we're attaching just the outriggers that are going to hold it, give some stability. So that'll be put one on each side. Now remember, I made this out of one 10-foot pressure treated 2x4, so that's all you need, just one. And the rest I've used is scrap wood and a piece of plywood that I had. Just 1/8-inch plywood, not a big deal. And then we'll put another one on the other side, and you can see that slot, that's where the top frame goes into in order to hold the target. Yeah. There, that's all done. Pretty solid, and doesn't take a whole lot of room up in the truck. I'm going to make multiples of these to hold different targets so I can do a little speed shooting with my .22. And now I'm just taking a piece of plywood and attaching it to the 1x2s that I have. Those were scrap window framing or door framing, I think they were. But there it is, simple as it can be. And so now we'll just put the target on. And the beauty of this, you know, people say, well, it's going to get shot up, tore up and everything, but you can use this because you just keep putting targets over targets. So it kind of, as long as you've got a place to staple the target or stick it, it works just fine. You'll see in my later videos I'll use this same target. Yeah, there it is. It comes apart real nice, and it's easy to transport. It sits in the back seat of my truck real nice with my guns, and there you go. Yeah. Hey everybody, let's take a minute before we go any further and do me a big favor. Please share our videos, like our videos, big thumbs up, hit that little button right there, and subscribe to our videos with the bell notification. That allows you to know when our next videos are coming out. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Today we're at the shooting range. We're going to do some .22 target shooting.
So we brought you out, did a little target shooting, showed you how well the target held up. It's pretty cool. That's a great target, and so there you go. Until next time, remember, life's a gift. Get outdoors. See you now. Bye.